Hi, very good morning, dear customer. My name is Chandrabhushan from Winclum Group. I'm presenting Win eRetail Express in front of you. That is usable for your order fulfillment and inventory management. And you can manage all the orders that you are getting online from multiple e-commerce portals on the go. That's why this software is important for you. Just suppose if you walk across multiple e-commerce portals like Amazon, Flipkart, Lazada, any website. So what you have to do just use this application to fulfill your all the marketplaces order on this go. Your entire marketplaces would be configured with the single application with eRetail Express. Rather than going to different e-commerce portals, you have to log in only on our panel. You can see your all the orders coming from all the e-commerce portals on our panel. Selecting all the orders, you can generate invoice, labels, and manifests for all the orders, whether these are coming from marketplaces or from your own website. Labels will come directly from the marketplaces, but invoice would be in your format, depends upon your business model. So this is the first page. Before go live in Retail Express, what you have to do, you have to complete your mapping process. If I talk about mapping, the mapping means your entire marketplaces and the products means SKUs which are listed across multiple e-commerce portal should be configured with our application. That is also called mapping. The first time mapping would be done from our team, but after training you can do mapping yourself. If you get a new marketplaces or new SKUs want to get listed or you want to configure with our application, you can do yourself. So I'm just going to start to show you how it works, what's the core feature of the product and how it works. So the product name is eRetail Express. The core feature is order fulfillment. The second core feature is inventory management. And third feature is reports. Means you can generate invoice report, GST report, returns report, means different kind of reports, and you don't have to maintain any another application or software. Your the documents means necessity documents like invoice report, GST report, warehouse report, SQIS report, this kind of report you can put in our panel, and you can then get export this report and you can put anywhere in any application. So let me start. So this is your unique ID and password. Now I'm going to log in. This is first page. The first page, once you open the system, you'll get proper insight of your business, order wise, products wise, and channel wise. This is the complete insight of your e-commerce business. The first page would be open, and the first tab is called dashboard. In dashboard, you don't have to do anything. You can see the things, the real picture. That means you have a little bit idea of what's going on in terms of your e-commerce business, the order which you have received. So in dashboard, there is three types. You'll find overview, sales, and product. Let me open another account. See, this is your dashboard. So in dashboard, as I told you that you'll find three tabs: overview, and it's a product wise reports dashboard, channel wise, I'm sorry, and this is your product wise reports. In overview, you'll find the reports order wise, means the order which you have received and what is the status of your every order from fetching the order to dispatch the order, right? Which order in which condition or in which tabs, right? So you can find the real picture here looking after. So having seen these reports, we have created different tabs: failed order, pending stock, pending invoice, ready to ship, and breach SLA, right? In failed order, those order will come which products are not configured with any marketplaces, with not configured with our application. As I told you earlier in our previous conversation that every product should be configured with our application. But sometime you have received the order of that particular SKU which is not configured with our application. So those order will go in failed order tab. Second is pending stock, means this is the different inventory from common inventory. In previous conversation, I told you that the common inventory will run across all the marketplaces. Common inventory means if any product listed across all the e-commerce portals. So what you have to do, you have to update any quantity on our panel. The same quantity of that particular product would be reflected across all the marketplaces. But sometimes you update extra inventory on any specific channel, that particular extra inventory that will be different from common inventory. So the different from common inventory stock could be here as pending stock. Pending invoice means upcoming orders. Order have been placed on the marketplaces but not confirmed yet. This is your green signal, means your confirmed order will come here in this tab, invoice. Fifth tab is ready to ship, means we have done all the formalities. You have generated invoice, label, manifest, and you are just waiting to dispatch the order. And previous elements, you haven't fulfilled the time line given by the marketplaces. If any order processing timing crossed the timing which have been given by the marketplaces, so that order will go in breach. So there's a danger zone, you can say. Down under the page, you'll find the chart by revenue wise or by order wise. So in overview, this is app completed. In second tab, sales wise, here you'll find channel wise picture, which channel how is performing, Amazon, Flipkart, and all. And this is your product wise, which products is top selling, which SKU stop getting returns or cancelled, whatever. So you can remove the SKU if any product getting returned again and again. Seeing this picture. So by default, is picture available here. By default is 7 days, but you can apply the filter and you can see the things according to you. Just going here and apply the filter. So app covered dashboard. Let me come on the second tab that is called App Store, wherein I'll show the marketplaces which are integrated with us, including web store, logistic partner, and all. So in all apps, you will see these channels. And if you click on marketplace, you'll find these are the marketplaces. Let me scroll down the page. And these are the leading web store. And these are the logistic partners, e-commerce portals. Now, let me come on the products. I'm skipping products. Why? Because it's not this important. It's not important for you this time. The most important tab is sales order. Let me click on that. In sales order, once you click on that, you'll find few tabs: failed orders, processing, picklist, and returns. In failed order, as I told you, unmapped SQs, unmapped SQs order. If any order places against unmapped SQ with the eRetail Express, So those order will go in failed order tabs. Means these order will be fulfilled directly through the marketplaces, not through our panel. Means eRetail Express. So this is your failed order tab, and the failed order is also available in orders. This is the common dashboard of your all the orders. If you want to see all the order on single place, so you should go on order tab. Just click here and you can see the things. On every page you will find the tab of filter, so you can apply the filter channel wise, date wise, anything. Here you can create your manual order as well. Going here, add new, right? So your main task will start from processing. I have clicked on processing tab. This is your order processing tab. From fetching the order to dispatch the order, this is the most important tab where we have to come and fulfill the things. So these are the steps that we have to take to fulfill an order, right? So all the fresh and confirmed order will come into pending pack. Means 13 order you have received as of now from all the leading e-commerce portals, means all the e-commerce portals, and order details are as followed. The next step is just select all the orders, click on pack order. Before going to pack order, if you want to generate the pick list, just go here and right side of the page, you'll find an option of generate pick list. If you click on generate pick list, a pick list would be generated of all the marketplaces. What pick list is? Pick list is nothing, only a document which gives you the complete information of the product, where is this product is parked in your physical location, so that you can get the product from there, and so that packing can be happened. Once you generate the pick list, the next step is to just select all the orders and transfer this order from pending pack to pack order, clicking on pack orders. Just click on pack order. So all the selected order will go to next tab, that is called packed. Sorry. Right? In pack, let me open the next window. So we were in packed. So we have transferred all the data, means all the orders from pending pack to packed. See, when we were in pending, we haven't find any option of LRI right side of the page. But if we are in packed, so we find this solution like L and I, these options available here. So we have moved all the orders from pending pack to pack now. What is the next step here? Just select all the orders and click on this tab to generate all the required documents to fulfill an order, like invoice, print label, print invoice, or both are ready to ship. If you want to generate label or invoice for an individual order, so just go here and click on L and I. If you click on L, label will get created. The label will come directly from the marketplaces. Invoice would be in your format. If I click on label, see, the label is getting generated. So this is the format of the label. Every marketplace has the different format of the label. So you'll find the label in marketplaces format as well. This is the test account, so we cannot show any original label. If you click on invoice, so a single invoice has been created of a single order. like that. So this is for an individual orders, but in bulk, just select all the orders and click on fourth tabs, label and invoice. So label and invoice will get created on single click for all the selected orders. Now the next step is to generate manifest. Right side you'll find an option of generate manifest. Just click on this tab. All the selected orders manifest will get created also. So we have generated your invoice, label, and manifest in this tab, Impact. What is the next step after that? Just click on ready to ship because all the formalities has been completed now. And if you click on ready to ship, all these selected order will go to ready to ship, skipping manifest. So now we have done all the formalities and we are waiting to dispatch the order and we are waiting for a courier partner. Just go here, select all the orders and ship order. Once courier partner comes, he picks the product. Means just means you have done the all formalities. Means order have been dispatched now. So for your record, just click on ship order. Means selected order. We move to directly the next tab. That is the last tab, which is shipped. So every tab gives you the complete insight of your every order. Means what the status of every order which you have received and in which tab of order processing. So this is the final tabs. Now I'm coming the second important tab that is called returns.
अरे तो आप कैसे मैं वो चेक करोगे ना जिसके सबसे ज्यादा करेक्ट आंसर होंगे और अगर मेरे मेरे किसी के साथ सबके ही करेक्ट हो गए तो
Returns. So this is the separate tab of returns. If anything gets updated in terms of return on the marketplaces, the same picture would be shown here. So this is the dashboard of your separate returns. Now, as I told you that you can apply filter on every page. So go here and apply the filter. Channel wise, anything, date wise. The returns means here is a two option in front of you, pending and confirmed. Pending means the product has been marked as return but not confirmed. Why? Because you haven't received your product into your own warehouse. Once you receive the product into your warehouse, so this status would be changed from pending to confirm. So once you receive the product into your warehouse, so what we have to do, just go here and click on confirm return. If you click on confirm return, so this status as pending would be changed as confirmed. The next feature available in returns dashboard is that you can update your stock from here itself across all the marketplaces. Just suppose you find that the return product is in a good condition and it's 100% sellable condition, so you can update your stock from right here. What you have to do, just go here and create return, select any return, click on this tab, returns. You have to select the virtual self. Once your mapping starts from here, so my team will ask you, right, how you want to get configured your physical warehouse with our application. In your physical warehouse, definitely you have a different self. So in the same way, in virtual warehouse in eRetail Express, we create a different self that is called bin. The name of the bin can be given by you anything like good, bad, or rejected sell. If any product parks in good bucket, means this is your live stock running across all the marketplaces. So if you want to put return one quantity on good bucket of your inventory, means virtual inventory, so one quantity would be updated across all the marketplaces of that particular products. Means You can update your stock again of this product which is listed across all the marketplaces using our application. Nothing. So I've been over in returns as well. The next step is procurement. This is the separate tab of your warehouse management. This is the not tab of your order management. This is the part of your WMS. So I'll discuss it later on, but I'll give the roughly idea what it is basically. In procurement, what you can do, you can manage your vendor. You can create the vendor through whom you are procuring the product into your warehouse. You can raise them purchase order PO by manual or by mail. You can do the transaction between you and your vendor. You don't have to maintain any another software. All the documentation would be done here itself. So this is the basic concept of procurement. So I'm just coming the next important tab that is called report. In report, what you can do, you can generate all the required reports, which is very important for every vendor. If you want to get procured this retail from any third party, for that you have to pay a lot of amount, but here you will get this report free of cost. So to get a report, what you have to do, go here and just select, let me refresh the page. Sorry. See, these are the list of the report. Just select any reports which you want to get, any date range, since how long you want to see the report, and any channels or consolidated report of all the marketplaces on single sheet. If I click any marketplaces like kind of Amazon FBA, I clicked on any date, means all date before today, all the past data, and I'm selecting invoice tally report. I clicked on get report. So MIS report has been downloaded into my system. On my system, see, this is the standard report. In this format, you will get the report. Okay, so in this format, you will find the report. This is only one report. Yeah, this is only one report that is called invoice tally report, and this is our standard format. You should just pay attention on the header only first. Channel name, web order number, order date, transporter number, invoice date, SKU code, product name, tracking number. So this is the report, invoice tally report, in which you will find your product detail as well as your customer detail as well. Also, along with the amount means the invoice amount and how much amount we have received into your wallet and how much amount is getting deducted by the marketplaces. You'll see the complete breakup of your revenue that we have received from the marketplaces. This is only one report, but yes, a part of this report you can generate another report, others report as well like these reports. So I've been over of reports as well. So the next step is setting. In setting, this is the basically part of your master data setup where you can configure your marketplaces, your channels, your SKUs, your company detail. You can generate invoice. Right, invoice means the amount which you have paid to us. So if you want to get the invoice, you don't have to come to us. Just you can generate the invoice from right here. Going to billing and plan and billing. Now, here, what we can do, you can configure your users as well. Let me open it. Here is company's detail. You can edit the things, and here you can add your member. Add your members if suppose there is a 10 or 20 people are working in your company, and everyone has a different formalities, so you can divide the role as well. Go here and just define the role so that your workflow can be divided and you can manage your backend operation easily. So these are the role that you can define to your staff. The once role have been defined by you by to any employee, the employee will work on that particular tab only. He cannot open another window which you don't want to get him aligned. So now I've been covered the complete, the core feature of the product eRetail Express, and I hope I make you understand the things. And I believe you understood the things what I described you. Have a great day ahead. Bye bye. Thank you so much. If you find any doubt, any confusion, kindly ask me. And when we go live demo, I'll describe another things and I'll try to answer all the question in our next conversation. Have a great day ahead. Thank you so much.